Today I'm really excited to share this video with you guys because I've been planning this video for a very long time. However, I could not find the right material to show this, share this particular trick with you. So today we are making DIY Wink of Stella pen. Please do not mind the glitter or the shimmer on my hands, please. I just had a bit of an accident because I shot this video and I lost that footage. So I had to shoot it again, and in between I was preparing. My bottle of goodies fell down and I have shimmer. As of now, I have shimmer just about everywhere. So I'm very excited to share this particular product with you because I've been looking forward to this, something like this, for a very long time. I searched online many times on Amazon and other places to find if I could get mica powder. However, it was where I did find it, it was pretty expensive, and you guys know me, I'm all about, trying to save some money, and so that is the reason I was DIYing it. Otherwise I would just go with my pen, which is great to work with. It's a beautiful product, I love it. And but this particular thing I also wanted to make and see if I can make it, recreate this beautiful product. So what I have here is a water brush pen, and I'm going to use this as my pen permanently as a shimmer pen. However, you can just make it in a spritz bottle, and you can keep it and use it as a spray, or you can just use it from the bottle itself. So it's a very simple process, nothing much to do. You just add water to your water brush and add your mica powder. You will need to shake it before you use every time because the mica will settle down at the bottom. So this is what I made, and you just go ahead and pour some mica. You can see me using a different bottle here. So what you do is basically you will need some, it's all settled down here, so that is one thing that is different. You will have to shake it every time before you use it. You just have to shake it before you go ahead and use it. So you can see me using this from a different bottle altogether. It was just an empty bottle. Actually, I dropped my product all over the place, and that's what I was cleaning up before I had realized that I had to redo the video again. So that's how you see shimmer everywhere. So you just close it up and then you go ahead and shake it. Shake it well before you use every time, because then it will get mixed up and then you can then use it on your project. You can pick it up and just pick it up and apply it for you to see that it works just in the similar manner like a Wink of Stella pen. I've finished. This is a very thick coat because I just picked it up from here, but if you see here, this also gives you the same thing. It will dry and give you a nice shimmer, as you can see here. It's very nice and vibrant. It also, this product will also work on watercolor pen. As you can see here, I had this scrap piece of watercolor paper and I just tried to put this on, and it's nice and shiny. So this works on watercolor pens as well as your dyeings. Another way to use this particular product is you can make it in a shimmer bottle and keep it, and you can spray it over your project and it will leave a very nice even sheen on your project if you really want to do that. So in case and you can use it on cards, multimedia projects, or any other projects as well. And you can see here, this is the place where I had added it from directly, a chunk of it from the brush, and it's super shiny. However, I like the other flower where I've done it as a normal pen, and it really works very well. So I hope you like this video, and Please do not forget to leave it in the comments below if you want to see the clear gesso video, because I'm already working on it, and if I get enough people requesting for the same, I will be more than happy to do it as soon as I'm finalizing with the how to do it. So and again, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment and share your love. Also share it with your friends if you think this might be helpful for them. Have a great day ahead. Happy crafting. Bye bye.